The pain was always there and it was constant the more I stayed on my feet every day. The best thing that happened by having this surgery was not having the pain anymore that I had every day. Hello, my name's Jeff Thomas, and I had total knee replacement on my left knee May 3rd, and I had total knee replacement on my right knee August 3rd of this year, done by Dr. Bonenberger, and I feel great. It's the best thing I did in a long time. 20 years ago, I had the knee scoped, both of them. And then almost every year after that, I think I had injections put in. And it got to the point that one day I said, I'm done getting with these injections because they didn't last as long as they used to last. So I went to him and told him, okay, I need a replacement, and then we set it up. Plus, he also told me that I'll be able to play golf again, which I haven't done in 3 years because of pain. He did such a great job on the first one. I really felt confident about him doing the second one within that same period. We talked about 3 months. I think we were a week short of 3 months before we did it, but still, everything turned out good. Before you could walk in, they had a temperature check at the hallway. And when I walked in there, they only had certain chairs open and everybody wore a mask. They taped off all the rest of the chairs so other people couldn't sit within 6 feet. And then when I got called back to the room, everybody wore a mask. So I felt pretty comfortable. I felt completely safe whenever I visited there because of their protocols for the mask and then for the temperature and everything else. And I really felt comfortable about going through this. Didn't have a fear at all. I would tell anybody to go to him if they asked me who done it, for sure.